不要再说了。
死心吧，我有一身跟踪盯梢的高超本领啊！
我绝不鼓励你这样做啊！我绝不鼓励。
家爸，您看现在我妈都急成什么样了？笨死了你！老爸这意思啊，就是不鼓励也不反对。
我可没这么说。
听见了吧？老爸没读书。哎，你听我的吧。快点！我不想去了，我要回家。回家谁跟着小雪啊？你呀？我还有事儿呢，我特别的忙。你帮我丢我怎么了？这个骗咱爸呀！是，骗我哪是
Hey. Okay, I can hear you now. Hi. Okay.
Let me just put a reminder to the group chat.
Mm-hmm.
The light, it's shining so bright in your face that I can't see your face. I can't see half of your face.
Do you really want to see my face? Okay. But my lamp is here and it's just a little bit. Is it better
now? I can see you. Yeah, now I can see you.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it's like half of your face is like.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, sorry, yeah.
I think it's gonna echo.
Yeah.
Because
okay.
Okay. I'll just mute it for.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hey, 你好。
你好。
最近怎么样？
Sorry again.
最近怎么样？
怎么样？
最近 recently 怎么样 ？How are you?
Yeah, sorry. So, I have to get this right.
Yeah, 我很高兴 I'm happy. 我很高兴。
我很高兴。
Yeah, 高兴 is happy and 很 is like very happy, but we don't have like something like I am happy. Usually we just say 我很高兴 I'm very happy.
Okay.
Yeah, 我很高兴。
And last time you said it's okay to say how.
No, I don't think so. You can't say good. I think you can just say 很好 like very good.
Okay.
Yeah, very good. Like 很好. You can't say 好好. 好好 is a little bit weird. Yeah, you don't say that. 你今天都做了什么？
Okay. I struggle unless I can read it. I think I have a.
But sorry, I can't really hear you.
Okay, can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Okay.
The voice is a little bit small, but yeah. 你今天都做了什么？ Like 今天 is today, and 做了什么 is like what did you do? 做了 is did. Yeah.
Sorry, again,
I'm sorry. There's like the sound of notification. Yeah. 你今天做了什么？
Okay.
You show money there, right? Say it a little bit slower.
Oh, sorry. 你今天做了什么？
Okay. Can you repeat again? I'm actually, I'm, yeah, I'm, okay, I can try.
Yeah.
I've been trying to, memorize word by word.
Oh, yeah.
Hopefully, hopefully I'll be better. I'll be able to respond to some of the vocabularies maybe, if not in sentence.
Yeah, no worries.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's really easy. You just start with like 我, cause I like 做了, like did like something, and say what did you do today? Yeah.
我是 okay.
And if you want to use the past tense, you always just add a le after the verb. Like 学了 is like studied, because 学 is study and le is studied. So 学了 is studied. Yeah. You just add a le after the verb you will use. Yeah.
The past tense. So if I say 我了读书, I have been reading books.
No, you say like 你读了, 读, because 读 is read, and you add a le, and that's read.
你读了书. Okay.
Yeah, 你读了书, so that's you read a book.
Okay. Okay. 你读了书.
Oh, sorry, 我读了书 is 我 read is I read a book. 你读了书 is you read a book.
我读了书, yeah.
Yeah.
I hope there are a few more people because I may not be the most prepared one.
Yeah, hopefully. I think someone will join us later. Robson? Yeah.
Yes, yeah, she's coming on.
Yeah.
I just pinged a few others as well so they can come on. A minute. Yeah. I think we'll wait for one more person.
Oh, cool.
But again, you know what you can do when she's asking you that when she asked you that question before, what you can do is like you can parse the word.
Okay.
So you ask that question again. 你今天做了什么?
你今天做了什么?
I mean, you're expecting me to do it?
What?
I thought Latin Ziegler was going to respond to that.
No. Oh, no, we want you to respond. So if you parse the words, you can understand her question.
Oh, me to respond, or who to respond?
Me
to respond? You can just say 我读了书. That's like I read a book. Yeah. Said that. And what did I do today? 我写了文章. That's I wrote an article. Because 写 is write, and if you put le after write, that's wrote. And 文章 is article. Yeah, Wenjia's article.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. I just wanted to say that. I mean, I think I would definitely be the least prepared person here because I'm somehow struggling with my coursework and all. So I'm just,
I know, we're all busy.
yeah,
So you have no excuse, right? Again.
yeah, that's true. But yeah,
I mean, no worries.
yeah.
Like, everyone's busy.
我今天早上去了参观，我可以说餐馆吗？参观大学。
Oh yeah, Tangguan. Yeah, that's good. Like you went to visit a university. Yeah.
That's right. Yeah, I went to Tangguan this morning. Yeah.
Yeah.
What did you want to try? No.
Tangguan. That's like visit. Yeah, Tangguan. That's
It's okay.
we went to visit a university and yeah. That's yeah. She went to visit university.
So one student said she's stuck in traffic. She'll be on in 10 minutes. Another one said she'll be on in a minute or so.
Yeah, yeah.
But I think we can start because it's
Yeah.
being recorded, right? Yeah, I think we can start you if you're ready. Whenever you're ready.
Okay, I'm ready. And so I think we are going to change a little bit today. So I think a lot of people said that we should talk more instead of me typing and writing. So I'll just try to talk more with you, and I'll just try to start to make conversation with you. It's okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll just try.
Yeah, that wasn't me actually. So
Yeah. So, yeah, so I just asked you like 你今天做了什么? Like 今天 is wait for a minute. I'll just share my screen. So, you can see it now, right? So
yeah,
you should, yeah, 所以说, 所以 is like so. Yeah, I'll just try to add a little bit more Chinese when I'm explaining something. So 所以说你今天干了什么? Like 你 is you, and 今天 is today, and 干什么了? 干 is like do. You can use both 干 and 做. They're the same. So here's 干 and here's 做. They're the same. So I just say and 什么 is what. And 了 is like I told you, that's something you add after a verb and then it becomes past tense. So 你今天干什么了? That's like what did you do today? Yeah. I also ask you 你今天做什么了? It's also what did you do today? So if I just say it like faster, it'll be like 你今天干什么了? 你今天做什么了? Yeah, see, I was just like I won't pronounce the like 天 clearly. So like 你今天做什么了? That's a like very light sound, yeah. But I'll try to say slowly to you, yeah. And also, sometimes I just ask a person like, 我有时候会问一个人，问 is like ask, like 我有时候会问一个人，一个人 is like one person. 所以我有时候会问一个人，你今天打算做什么? What do you plan to do today? And so like me is also you, and 今天 I say today, and 打算 is plan, 打算 is plan, and 做 is do, and 什么 do you want me to put it?
yeah,
Yeah, sorry.
I can't understand
Yeah.
if it's not you.
I think
Yeah.
my computer just stuck a little bit. Okay.
Mhm.
What? Why? Yeah, so and 做 is like do. And, can you hear me? Or
Yeah.
can you see my screen? Yeah.
Yeah, I can see.
Yeah. And 什么 is what? So I just like I'll just ask what do you plan to do?
Mhm.
And that's like 你打算做什么? Yeah, 你打算做什么? And if I want to ask what do you plan to do for like a specific time, I'll ask like what do you plan to do today? That's 你今天打算做什么? So I'll just add 今天 between 你 and 打算. So 你今天打算做什么?
Are you typing something? Because I can only see the word.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you, but are you typing something? Because I can only see the word.
No. I'm not typing anything. I'm just talking to you. Yeah,
Okay,
I'm trying to make it bigger, but my computer just yeah.
Okay.
So if you want to ask like what do you plan to do for a specific time, that's like 你今天打算做什么? That's like what do you plan to do today? And 过年, because it's almost Chinese New Year now. So 过年 is like spend the new year. 过年 is like spend the new year. And I'll just ask, 我就会问 like 我就会问 is I'll just ask. Yeah, 我就会问过年打算做什么? What do you plan to do today?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you try to answer me? Because it's really easy. Because you just answer me, you plan to. So that's you. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I mean, I can't, because since there is only a Chinese script and I can't read any of them. Like, if you have a
Can you hear what he's saying?
A little bit, yeah.
Okay. I heard what he said. He said that because there's no pinyin, he can't follow the characters.
Okay.
So what will be helpful is if you can add the pinyin, and second, if you can point with your cursor to the character.
Yeah, I will do that. Yeah, sorry. Yeah.
And then if they can repeat after you, I think that's also another extra helpful.
Okay. So I didn't add pin because I thought we already know these characters. I'm sorry. And so it's here. 你 is you.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's like 打算 is plan. 打算 is plan. 打算. Yeah. I'll add a pin here. Yeah. 打算. 打算 is plan, and 做 is do. 做 is do, and 什么 is what. You should already know that. Yeah. Yeah. So 你打算做什么? That's what do you plan to do? What do you plan to do? And if you add 过年, that's like for the new year. Yeah, 过年 is for the new year. And if you instead of 过年, if you add 今天, like today, here, that's like what do you plan to do today? 你今天打算做什么? What do you plan to do today?
Okay. So
过
年 is for New Year, right? And what would you say for just New Year?
Yeah, actually, New Year is 新年 here. 新年, that's actually New Year because 新 is new and 年 is year. But 过年 is like 过年 is like how you spend the New Year, like spend the New Year. Because 过 is like spend. It's like yeah, and 年 like we just use 年 for New Year for like this short. Yeah. So 你过年打算做什么 is like what do you plan to do for the new year? You can also say 你新年打算做什么 It's like what do you plan to do? It's also like yeah, in the new year time. Yeah. So you just add like you can also say 你昨天打算做什么昨天 is yesterday. Yeah, so 昨天 that's 昨天 is yesterday. 昨天 is yesterday. We usually don't say what do you plan to do yesterday. I'm sorry. We usually say what do you plan to do tomorrow. That's 明天. Yeah, tomorrow is 明天. 明天 that's tomorrow. Sorry, my computer is really slow. I need to fix that.
It's okay.
Yeah. Yeah, 明天昨天明天 that's yesterday. This is yesterday and this is tomorrow. Yeah. Yeah, and you just answer me 我打算 because 我 is I and 打算 is plan.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you say like maybe you say you plan to read a book and that's like 我打算读书. Yeah, 我打算读书 or 我打算游泳 that's like I plan to go swimming.
Okay.
Yeah.
我打算读书.
Yeah, that's I plan to read a book. 我打算吃早饭 that's I plan to eat breakfast. 我打算吃早饭. Yeah, I plan to eat a breakfast. And also I'll just try to ask you like because it's New Year and people will go on vacation and sometimes I ask people 我就会问别人 is like other people. Yeah, when is ask. Sometimes I just ask other people 我就会问别人你打算去哪里? Like 你打算去哪里? Where do you plan to go? 你打算去哪里? Yeah, because 去 is like go. 去 is go. And 哪里, do you know what's 哪里?
哪里?
Yeah.
哪里? No.
Nali means where.
Yeah, that is where. And I think I should mention that before. And yeah, so where do you plan to go? 你打算去哪里?
你打算去哪？
我打算去 New York. Does it make is it a correct sentence?
Like you want to answer me?
Yeah.
Yeah. You say 我打算去 and then you add somewhere. Then you add the name of the place.
Okay, sure. So 我打算 New York.
Oh yeah. You have to add like you have to put 去 between the place and
我打算去 New York. Sorry, yeah.
Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, you plan to go to New York. That's good. Yeah. Yeah, and also like people ask you, 人们也会问你，你今天感觉如何？就你最近过得怎么样？Like I asked you, right at the start of this video, I asked you, 你最近过得怎么样？
Okay.
你最近 is recently and
Yeah.
like 过得怎么样 is like how do you do?
Okay.
Oh yeah.
So like how are you recently? 你
Yeah.
最近过得怎么样？
过得很好.
Yeah, 过得很好. Yeah, you're good. Yeah, you also answer me. 你很高兴，我很高兴. Do you remember?
Yeah.
Yeah.
高兴 means
Yeah, that's like you're happy. So 高兴 is happy. Yeah, 我很高兴 that's I'm very happy. Yeah. And I can also ask you like, what's your feeling? 你感觉怎么样? Because 怎么样 is how. 怎么样 is how.
怎么样？
Yeah, 怎么样 is how. 怎么样 is how. So I can also ask you 你感觉怎么样? Because 感觉 here below 感觉 is feeling. So how do you feel? I'll just ask you 你感觉怎么样? How do you feel? 你感觉怎么样? Yeah.
我感觉很好.
Yeah, that makes sense. Like you feel very good. Yeah. 你感觉很好. You feel very good. Yeah, here. Yeah, I feel very good. That's 我感觉很好. Yeah, I feel very good. Or you can also say I'm very happy. That's 我很高兴. Yeah, and if you want, if you are going to somewhere with your friend and like you're already here and he's not there yet, and you're just like maybe you just call him like 你就会给他打电话. 打电话 is call. 打电话你就会给他打电话. 打电话 is call. 打电话你就会给他打电话 打电话 is call. Yeah, 打电话 is call. 给他 is like call him. 给他. Yeah, because 他 is him. 他 is him. And 给, I don't know how to expand that, but you just say that. You just put it there. 你给他, you call him. 你给他打电话 is you call him. 你 is you. And 给他打电话 is call him. Yeah. So you just call him like, and you say 你会说, cause say is 说, 你会说, 你到哪儿了? Where are you now? 你现在在哪? Where are you now? Where are you now? And cause you is 你. You see, like whenever you start a question, you always start with yeah, 你我你现在is now, 现在 is now, 现在 is now. And do you still remember like what do we use for at?
在
Yeah, at is 在 And where? What is where? 你现在 what is where?
哪儿
Yeah. You say 哪里我哪儿 So you just say 你现在哪儿？你现在在哪里？你现在在哪里？ Like where are you now?
Is there any difference 哪儿 and 哪里
There's no difference. No, yeah. 哪儿 is just like the short way you say that. Say 哪里 Yeah. And you can say like you answer I am at somewhere. That's 我现在在 I'm now at 我现在在 I'm now at and add the name of the place. Or you can also say 我到了 I'm here. Like you just tell him that I'm already here. That's 我到了 because 到 is like arrive and 了 is like the past tense. So 到了 is like I've already arrived. I arrived. But it's also like you just say I'm here. 我到了 to tell your friend.
Is it more common that in Beijing they use the nar instead of other places in China?
Actually, I don't know because I'm so ignorant of other places in China. Yeah, but I feel like maybe it is because I'm from Beijing and we use a lot of R sound. Yeah, so probably just nar because maybe people from other places will just say na instead of nar because I'm from Beijing and in our dialect there will be an R sound like after some word. Yeah, nar. Yeah. Yeah, and they also say like 这个那个 because like you can when you're trying to point to something you say 你就会说这个是那个是 because 这个 is this and 是 is you just this is like when you want to introduce someone to your friend you say 他 like 这个是 you can also this is someone 这个是 or 那个是那个 that is yeah 这个 is this 那个 is that
Yeah.
Or you don't have to add 个 or you can say 这是 this is 那是 but you what time do you have to use 个 that's like yeah, I told you last time that 个 is something that you add between the number and the actual thing. Like, yeah. So sometimes you have to use 个 but sometimes you don't have to. You can just say 这是那是 that's this is that is. Yeah. Yeah. And I want to show you a short video clip of two guys like meeting each other for the first time and just like a conversation. This is from a very old TV series and I just found it. And so they don't know each other before and like they just met on the bus and so they'll just start their conversation. Can you actually see the video?
Yeah.
I'll just start to play. and she said 叫我婉瑜吧 like 叫 is call, right?
Yeah.
叫 is call. So 叫我婉瑜吧 is like just call me, like 婉瑜 is her name. So 叫我婉瑜吧 is call me 婉瑜吧. Ba is like something like ba has no actual meaning. It's just like a word, a character you add like at the end of sentence, like yeah or ah. Yeah. So 叫我婉瑜吧 is like call me 婉瑜吧. Yeah. So she's like that's how her introduce her name. 叫我婉瑜吧 call me 婉瑜吧.
我叫展博。
And do you know what he said?
我叫 and his name.
Yeah, like yeah, he said 我叫 and his name 我叫展博，我叫展博。
那我们算认识了。
And she said 那我们算认识了 like that's like then we are known to each other, like cause 认识 is no like they're like known, and 算 I don't know how to explain 算 算 is
Swan
Yeah.
is like count or considered. Now
Yeah.
it's considered like
Yeah.
we know it.
yeah. So it's like we're not considered that we are known to each other. So 认识 is like 认识 is know or no. Yeah, it's like to know. Yeah, 认识 is to know. 认识 is to know.
我认识 means I know you, right?
Yeah, 我认识你 I know you. 算 is consider. And the la is also like a phonic sound. So yeah, the la is also a phonic. 那我们算是什么？那 is like I told you that na is that, but na is also then. So if you want to say some, like she's actually saying, then we are considered to be known to each other. So na is also then. You can also use na as then. Yeah. So you can also use na as then. It's also that. Yeah, it's then or that. 那我们算是认识了。Yeah.
你是来出差的吗？
And she asked like 你是来出差的吗? And that's because 出差 is going on a business trip. So 你 you know 你 is you, and 你 is you, and 是 is, and 你 is you, and 是 is, and ma is something that you add after a question. So okay, let me find my word dog. Okay, here. So 出差你是来出差的吗? Yeah, here. 出差 is go on a business trip. 出差 is go on a business trip. 你是来 and brackets 的吗 is are you here to? 你是来什么什么? 你是来 what 的吗? Are you here to? You can say 你是来看书的吗? Are you here to read a book? 你是来看书的吗? Or you can say 你是来游泳的吗? What's that? 你是来游泳的? Yeah, are you here to swim? Are you here to swim? So you can just add anything inside the brackets.
Yeah.
Good. 你是来干什么的吗? 你是来干什么的吗? 你是来 Are you here to do something? Yeah. 你是来干什么的? Sorry. And what did he say? He said
我刚从国外留学回来。
He said 我刚从国外留学回来. That's like he just come back from abroad, from study abroad. 我 is I, and 刚 is like just, where 刚刚 is just now. 刚 is just. 我刚 just so 我刚
Yeah.
yeah 从 is from 从 is from 从 let me see yeah I don't have 从 here I'll just add it 从 is from 国外 is abroad 国外 is abroad because 国 is country and 外 is outside so 国外 is abroad 从 from 从 somewhere 回来 is come back 回来 is come back 回来 sorry oh my computer is so slow 回来 is come back so I just come back from somewhere and he said 国外留学 which is study abroad I just come back from study abroad 国外 is study no sorry 国外 is abroad because 国 is country and 外 is abroad sorry 国 is country 外 is outside so that's outside your country which is abroad and 留学is also study abroad there's a little bit overlap of meaning but 留学 is also study abroad because she study and 留 sometimes it's just you go there you go to somewhere so 留学 I think it's also study abroad or he just say I just come back from like study abroad in other countries or that yeah 我刚从国外留学回来 I just come back from and the 拼音 is 留学 sorry 留学
学什么呀？
计算机
sorry so she just asked 学什么呀 can you try to guess like 学什么 what says 学什么 学
What do you study?
yeah that's right what do you study 学什么呀 it's like what do you study and yeah is also a phonic sound so there are a lot of phonic sounds here so 学什么呀 is like what do you study and he answered 计算机 which is computer science 计算机 itself is computer and you can also use 计算机 for computer science so 计算机 is computer 计算机 is computer 计算机 but there's another word also for computer is 电脑 they're the same but I think people nowadays use 电脑 more often so 电脑 is also for computer 电脑计算机I think what you can do is you can try to add the tone yourself by like hear me saying that 计算机 so G it should be the first tone and 电脑 so 电 should be the fourth and 脑 should be the third yeah 脑 should be the third yeah you can also try to write the pinyin by yourself instead of me writing it yeah you can just try yeah so he said 计算机
我从小就在那儿念书
and he just said 我从小就在那儿念书 like 我 is I and 从小 because 从 I said is from right
Oh yeah.
It's little so from little is like from childhood right like from childhood like 就 is like just or something you can ignore that it means the same with or without 就 like 我从小在 is at right and 那儿 is like that place 念书 is study. 念书 is study. So what did he say? He said, 我从小就在那儿念书. Can you guess?
I just
Yeah, I studied there like since I'm little, since I was little. Yeah, because 从 is from and 小 is little, and 在 is at, and 那儿 is there, and 念书 is study. It's you can 念书 is another word for study. 念书 is more like 念书 is more like you've experienced the education there. You are educated there, so you went to primary school, middle school there. So 念书 is more like, so it's more than study. Yeah, 念书 is like you've experienced the education there. 念书，念书，念书。educated 念书。我从小就在那儿念书。It's like I start to. Yeah, 念书 like you're educated there.
好久没回来了。
And then he said 好久没回来了。Like I'll tell you the meaning of 好久, because 好久 is a long time, a long time. And 没回来, do you know what's 没回来? May? What's May?
May is no.
Yeah, 没有回来. What's 回来?
Come back home.
Yeah, 回来 is come back. So like 没回来 is I didn't come back. And 好久 is like for a long time. 好久 is for a long time. So so he hadn't come back for a long time. 我好久没回来. Here. 好久 is a long time. 好久 is a long time. And if me, your friend, you also say like 好久不见, which is long time no see. Like I haven't seen you for a while. Yeah. 好久不见, which is very useful. 好久不见, I haven't seen you for a while. Long time no see. 好久 is long time. 好久不见 is I haven't seen you for a while. Yeah. 好久不见. 好久不见. 好久. Yeah. He hadn't come back.
你呢？
And then he said 你呢? 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 Which is and you. 你呢? You. Yeah. You. 你呢? And you. What about you? 你呢?
我是来寻宝的。
Yeah. And he said 我是来. So you see there's like 你是来 is are you here too? So 我是来 is I am here too. Yeah, so she said I am here too. And then she said 寻宝的. This is actually not that useful because 寻宝 is find treasure hunt. Find treasure hunt. Treasure. That's 寻宝 because 寻 is find and 宝 is treasure. So 寻宝 is find treasure. 寻宝，我是来寻宝的. So that's how a conversation is like. It's like a very normal conversation. So you can watch that again. Okay. So a normal conversation.
没关系，
Sorry,
没
this
关
is a
系。
little bit.
谢谢你啊。
Yeah, and she said 没关系, which is like no problem. And she said 谢谢你, which is thank you.
刚才那些坏人是谁啊？
他们
And she actually said 刚才那些坏人是谁? Like who are those bad men just now? Because 坏 is bad and 人 is like person. Like 刚刚 is like just now. 刚刚那些坏人是谁啊? Who are the bad people just now? Yeah. But what? No. What is the? Sorry. I've got a little bit. Oh. Okay, we just watch from here. Yeah, 没关系，没关系，no problem, no problem. 谢谢你
刚才那
，thank
些
you.
坏人是谁啊？
Who are those bad men now? 他们呀 is like they are. 他们 is they. 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 他们 sorry. 他们 is they. 他们 is they. Yeah, they. And she answered 很坏的人 because 很 is very and 坏 is bad. So she said very bad 的人 person. Yeah, very bad person. Very bad people.
叫我婉瑜吧。
Yeah, 叫婉瑜吧 call me 婉瑜。
我叫展博。
My name's 展博。
那我们算认识了。
Yeah, they only consider known to each other. Are you here to go on a business
国外
trip?
留学回来，
Yeah,
学什
I
么呀
just？come back
计
from.
算机。
Yeah.
我从小就在那儿念书，
Yeah, I
好久没回来了。
haven't been
你呢？
back for a long time. What about you?
我是来
Yeah, I'm here to
寻宝。
find treasure. Yeah, that's how a conversation is like between two strangers. Yeah.
It was a fast one.
Sorry?
It was a fast one.
I'm sorry. I can't hear you.
Oh, sorry. I think my. Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. So that's like how a conversation is like.
I sent you guys the link in our group chat, so it would be good if you can watch that over and over again.
Okay.
Yeah. And okay, so what do we have? Yeah, so do you know like when is New Year this year? So this year New Year is February the 15th. February the 15th is actually the New Year Eve. The Chinese New Year is our biggest festival. So 新年快乐, like 新年快乐, Happy New Year. So on the New Year, like on the New Year Eve day, on the New Year Eve, we usually had a get-together dinner, a reunion dinner, which is 团圆饭. Yeah, we usually have 团圆饭. Because 团圆 is reunion and 饭 is like a dinner. Yeah, it's meal, reunion meal. So we usually have 团圆饭. So yeah, 我说我吃了团圆饭 is I ate reunion dinner. 我吃了团圆饭 I ate reunion dinner. Where I had reunion dinner with my family. 我和我的家人吃了团圆饭。我和我的家人吃了团圆饭。So 和 here 和 is with 和、我和我的家人吃了团圆饭。So you can also say you ate something with someone.
Can you use this word for family get together if you're just getting together at someone's house? Like,
yeah. 团圆 is reunion. 团圆 is reunion.
So it's
Yeah.
not like a school reunion where all classmates meet
No,
up.
actually 团圆 is only for family. Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry, I didn't make it clear. So 团圆 is only for family. Because, yeah, 团圆 is only for family.
What do you call when like your old classmates get together for reunion?
That's like 聚餐.
Okay.
That's 聚餐, which is just because 聚 is like together and 餐 is another character for meal. So 聚餐 is like it's like eat together. It's like just get together meal. I don't know. Get together meal. I think so. So 聚餐 it's like 聚餐 get together. 聚餐. Yeah.
Good time.
So and on the New Year they will also 放烟花, which is 烟花 is firework. 烟花 is firework. Sorry, I know this is very irrelevant, so I'm just talking. I feel like I really want to talk a little bit about New Year because I'm a little bit like I'm missing my home. Yeah. So yeah, 烟花 is 烟花 is firework. 烟花 is firework. Yanhua is firework. Yeah. So, and also if you're talking on the phone, with your friend, your first word is always, so wei, which is hello. Wei is
Wei.
hello. Wei. Wei. You always start with wei, which is hello. Hello. Wei.
Yeah.
喂，你好。喂，你好。Yeah.
Wei.
Hello. Yeah. And there's a very useful word which is 凑合着. Actually, I wanted you to see something. Sorry. I'll just search for it now. This is a very useful Chinese video website. You can find, it's like the Chinese version of YouTube. It's called bilibili.com. You can find all kinds of videos there. Like, you'll find a lot of interesting videos there actually. Like before the government released restriction, you also find most of the movies there with both English and Chinese subtitles. So it should be useful if you want to find some movies for Chinese videos. So it's called bilibili.com.
Okay.
And I want to show you a clip from one of my favorite movies, and it's called 饮食男女. Sorry, I really forgot the English name of it, but it's from Li An, if you know the director, Li An. The Adventure of Pi, I think. So it's okay. I'll just show you the movie clip. 饮食男女. 饮食 is like food. 饮食 is like the food culture. And 男女, nan is male, nan is boy, male, and 女 is female, girl. Yeah. So it's 饮食男女 is like, I think it's like food and gender. Maybe it's like that. So what I want to show you is okay, sorry. So this is actually a movie clip of the New Year dinner. And I'm sorry, I'll just search for the which one? 老片子集, this one. Yeah, here. 饮食男女. Okay, let me search the English name of that. What's the English name of this? 饮食男女. 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 So the English name is Eat, Drink, Man and Woman. The English name of this movie is Eat, Drink, Man, Woman. Yeah. I really like this movie because I just like the director. A3. Sorry, I should have opened this video earlier, but I just want to show you very simultaneously. Sorry, wait for a little bit. Okay, let's see. Like while we're waiting, what can I say? Yeah. Also, 这几天 is this several days. 这几天 is this several days. Weekend is 周末. 周末 is weekend. 这几天 is this several days. Yeah, here it is. Oh no, my internet. Please. Oh. Please, no. Okay, I'll just wait till it loads a little bit. Yeah, and 这几天 is this several days. 和谁 is with who, 谁 is who. And 和谁一起 is 一起 is together. 一起 is together. 一起 is together. So I just say 这几天 the several days. I like who did you go with? 你和谁一起去了 is who did you go with? Yeah, who did you go with? 你和谁一起？或者你和谁去了 is also who did you go? 一起 is together. And 但是 is but. 但是 is but, which is also very useful. Shall we play this now? Why it's so slow? Oh, okay, this is making me feel pretty frustrated. Oh, so sorry. Should I try YouTube? Will it better if I use YouTube?
You can just send us the link. Maybe we can watch it on our own screen later.
Really? Okay, I'll just send you the link.
Oh,
Yeah.
one of us. Muthu is saying that you can send it to us and one of us can share it if whoever has a faster internet.
Because you're using my contact list, so I just send you.
Okay. 为什么? Okay.
Yeah, 微信,
Send
WeChat.
us on Zoom. On Zoom? Do you see this? Like, you can send it to all of us on Zoom as well in the chat
Oh,
group.
really? Oh,
I've been pinging everybody. Do you guys get my text?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. I'll just see if I can share on my screen then. So you have 10 minutes. Do you want us to watch this later on our own? If you're done with the lecture, you can watch it, or you can go ahead with the lecture. It's up to you.
Because there's like a clip, like the old man is talking on the phone, so it's like, 喂，最近过得怎么样? How are you recently? Yeah.
好了，等一下。
Yeah, it's okay. And there's also and then he answered 凑合的，凑合着过，凑合着过. It's like just go with it. Like it's not too good, not too bad. Like 凑合is not bad, not good. 凑合. This is very useful. Like we also say that 凑合. You say 凑合着过. Like
Is
like
it like 随便?
sorry?
Is it like 随便? 凑合着.
No, I think yeah, it's a little bit like 随便. Yeah, it's a little bit like 随便. 随便. So how do you say 随便 in English?
Oh, it's fine. Whatever. Like,
Yeah, whatever. Yeah, 凑合 whatever. 凑合着过，凑合着 whatever. 凑合着 whatever. 不错 is like 不错 is also like okay. It's not good. It's okay. 不错 is okay, just so. Okay, just so. Yeah. I'm thinking that I really want to start to talk with you guys in Chinese. Is it okay?
加油.
I'm so sorry to disappoint you.
Yeah.
But you guys can start to talk with me. You guys can start to ask me questions. Like any questions. I'll try to answer you in Chinese. Yeah, 你好，开始吧，开始吧 is like start, like let's start, 开始吧。Let's start, 开始吧。Ask me any question that you can think of. Don't be too nervous. 不要紧张 Don't be nervous. Nervous 紧张 Don't be nervous. 不要紧张 Don't be nervous.
你哪儿学习？
You should ask 你在哪儿学习 like
你在哪儿学习
Yeah.
Yeah.
我在英国 I study in the UK. 我在英国学习 我在英国学习 Oh, I shouldn't say English. Sorry. 我在英国学习 Yeah. 你呢？
我在美国学习。
哦，很好，很好。你学什么的？
我学science
Science
yeah.
and what?
我学 neuroscience. I don't know how to say it in
Okay.
Chinese.
Can you see my screen?
Sorry?
Can you see my screen?
Yeah, I do.
So actually, that's 神经科学。神经科学 That's neuroscience, because 神经 is neuro and science is 科学. So neuroscience is 神经科学. Yeah, 你学 neuroscience. 哦，很厉害，很厉害 is like fantastic or something fabulous. 很厉害 like すごい and like I think you're very good. Yeah, 很厉害，很厉害。
And also you like whenever someone's studying a very hard major, I've seen a lot of Chinese always say, "Oh, 学霸,学霸."
Oh, yeah. So there's a how to call this very like popular word from internet. Do you have
What do you call those? Like it's a word. It's not a lingo. It's a, how do I say it? It's a word that's been popularized on the net.
Yeah.
Mm.
So
What's
that's like who is very like someone is very good at study.
It's like a digital.
Someone good at study. Yeah. Someone it's not only good, it's like excellent. Like
Wow.
Oh,
so
sure.
good at study. Yeah.
So if you say you're studying this love song, Chinese probably will say like, "Oh my gosh, 学霸,学霸." They'll say that. Yeah.
Oh.
It's like, "Oh, you're so smart." Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
Like you're so smart. Yeah. Like that. 学霸,学霸.
Oh.
Yeah.
嗯，
是吧？是吧？很厉害，很厉害。
厉害。
那你
你几年级几岁？How can I say like how which
Yeah, that's right. Like 你今年几岁 ？It's like
一年几岁
how old are you? 我今年20岁。
啊
Yeah, I'm 20.
Yeah. Oh, actually, I was gonna ask like which year are you in?
Oh,
Yeah.
对，你大学几年级
哦，你大学几年级？
？Cause 你 is you know what is 你 is you and 大学 is university. 大学
Yeah.
university.
Yeah.
几年级 G is like how we ask for a number, and 年级 is grade. So 你 or you can say where you can also put 是 between 你 and 大学. You can also say 你是大学几年级, but usually you just say 你大学几年级. Or you can ask like very easy. You can just ask 你大几 like a short way. 你大几 is like 你大学几年级 the short way of saying 你大学几年级.
Okay.
你大学几年级 or 你大几 is like which grade, like which year are you in university. 大学几年级 or 你大几学几年级你大几
Ida, do you want to ask any question?
Ask them question.
No, there's one student. I'm calling out a student because she's
sorry.
very quiet. Yiga, can you hear us? I guess she can. I don't know. Can't hear us. There's one student who's listening, but it's very quiet. So I'm trying to get Yiga to talk.
Can he hear us?
I think so. I mean,
Hey. Okay. 我大三 Do you know which year I'm in? I said 我大三
我大三
三 listen.
3.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm in my third year. 我大三 I'll say 我大学三年级 I'm in my third year of university.
Oh, okay.
You know?
我2年级。
Yeah, that's good. You can also say 我大二 which is like you're in your second year of university. 我大二
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Good. I think you're very good. 你感觉怎么样？你学习感觉怎么样？感觉 Are you here when we're talking about that word? 感觉
It sounds familiar, but I don't remember it.
Yeah, 感觉 is feeling. 感觉
Oh,
Yeah.
oh yeah.
你
我
感
感觉很好。
Yeah, 你搞得很好 really. That's good.
Actually, in my school, like they were celebrating Chinese New Year, so I just got back from there.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
那好吗？
很好。
Oh.
They were singing and
How do you say
唱歌跳舞。
Yeah. 哦，听起来很有趣。听起来 is sounds. 听起来 is sound. 很有趣 is very interesting because 有趣 is interesting.
Oh.
Yeah, so I just say 听起来很有趣 sound very interesting.
嗯，
Yeah. Sound.
我的大学有很多中国学生。
Ah, there are a lot of Chinese students at your university.
Yeah.
你觉得他们怎么样？你感觉他们怎么样？你感觉他们怎么样？你觉得他们怎么样？
Oh, so what do you think about them? What is the question? What is the name? What does it mean? 你感觉？
How do you feel about them? What do you think about them? Yeah, 很有趣。Just very interesting. 听起来 sound very interesting. Sound very interesting. 你感觉你觉得 What do you think about them? 你觉得他们怎么样？或者你感觉怎么样？觉得
我觉得他们好，很好。我有朋友。
你有朋友 You have friends. You have Chinese friends.
Yeah, 我有美国 no 中国朋友，中国人朋友。
哦，那你们是什么时候认识的？时候认识的。
你什么时候认识的 ？So how do you know them? You mean?
什么时候 is what time? Because 时间时候 is time. Like what time did you know each other? 你们是什么时候认识的
So since when did I know them?
Yeah, since when did you know?
Since I came I don't know how to say it in Chinese. Since I came here in the college.
从 Do you know 从 from? That's also since 从 Yeah, talk about today. Yeah, 从 like you come here for university. 你 has come like as 到你从我到大学的时候 like since I come from here from university 从我到大学的时候。从 is also since 什么 Sorry, like we're from when I came to university.
Hello, can you hear us?
Sorry? Anyone say something? Hello? Did someone say something?
I think it was Yiga.
Sorry. Yeah. Good. I think we're almost done today.
Yeah.
I hope it's good. Yeah, I don't know. Just tell me, what do you feel like? What do you want me to improve? I'll just definitely, consider all your advice and suggestion, okay? Yeah.
I think it will be really helpful for us if we repeat the words after you.
Yeah, you can definitely do that because sometimes you guys don't say anything, so I just
we feel that. Yeah, sorry about that.
It's okay. Yeah, next time just repeat after me. Yeah, cool.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Can you send me the Word document, or can you send it in the group chat? Because I think you added some new words.
Sure. Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah. Oh, and then you'll send the homework in the group chat, right?
Yeah, but maybe tomorrow because I might need to think about like what homework do I need to. Okay.
Sure. Yeah. And I really recommend all of you to watch the link that she sent you, because the more you watch these TV shows, you're really good at get hang of colloquial Chinese, which you won't get.
It is a really interesting website. You should like use Bilibili. But that TV series, I don't know if it's good or not. I just found it randomly. Yeah. It's all up to you.
What's the most popular show right now in China? Is it still Rem in the Me or?
I'm so sorry. I don't watch TV shows, but I guess.
Nerd. Just kidding.
Yeah. I'm so sorry because I don't really. Yeah, 人民的 yeah, that's definitely one that you like very popular months ago, and I don't know what's the most popular TV show right now. Sorry, I don't know. Yeah. Yeah. I'll try to do a little bit of research about that and let you guys know. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
You.
Yeah,
Good.
we'll post the video on the website as well.
Yeah. Good. So I'll just end the video. It's okay.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Yep. Thank you. See you.
Yeah. Yeah. You guys too. Bye.
Yeah.